You also can upload ebooks like me and earn like this. Totally I have earned $109.46 by using this simple free trick. Hello guys, you are watching CPA Hacks. Before entering into this video, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share this videos who all are interested in CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. So in this video I'm going to teach you, just by uploading some free ebooks you can earn some money in affiliate marketing. Okay, it may be any niche, okay, and it may be any price, but you will get your exact commission easily in ClickBank and Digistore 24. Okay, you can use your own CPA, which means you can use your own affiliate marketing platform and you can work. Okay, so without any wasting any time, let's move on to the video. First, you have to open ClickBank or Digistore 24. Okay, either you can use ClickBank or Digistore 24. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you in Digistore 24. Okay, so for an example, let me choose a weight loss product. Okay, my personal recommendation is always please don't pick your niche as health and fitness niche. Okay, definitely as a beginner, health and fitness niches will be a failure niche. Okay, there are many niches and you can choose your micro niche. Micro niche is going to generate more than $10,000 to $20,000 per month, because micro niche has such a power in affiliate marketing. So for an example purpose I'm going to teach you through weight loss product. Okay, so let me choose weight loss. Okay, health and fitness. Okay, health and fitness, you will find a product regarding weight loss, I think so. Keto essential. Okay, so keto, okay, it's net per sale $5. Okay, so this is your affiliate link. Okay, so this is a keto diet product. Okay, this is a keto diet product. This is also regarding to weight loss product. Okay, so first step, you should pick your affiliate link. Okay, second thing, you have to create a free ebook. Okay, don't worry, to create a free ebook just come to the website called as Visme. Okay, visme.co, my.visme.com. If you come to this website, you can create many free thumbnails and templates. Okay, you can choose your own templates, you can create your own ebooks, survey pages, lesson plans. Okay, you can create your own ebooks. Just click on blank template and you can start working on creating a ebook. Okay, then the second thing is you need to get a content. Okay, so before choosing a content, we are going to do a simple search engine work. Okay, this is not a big thing. We are going to pick a keyword. Okay, for that keyword we are going to use our own Google's product called as Google search. Okay, why this Google search is, we are going to take the most trending weight loss name, not weight loss product. We are going to pick the most trending weight loss name. By choosing that weight loss name, we are just going to copy that name and we are going to publish in a separate website. Okay, I'll tell what is that website and I'll tell it in the end of this video. Okay, so first just come to Google search, this website called as Google Trends. Just come to this website and search as weight loss. If you search as weight loss, means you will get the results here. Okay, related queries, Mount Jaro weight loss, ice hack, like this kind of weight loss keywords we will get. Okay, so these keywords are booming up to 800% up. Okay, so this is definitely a best keyword to work on. Okay, for an example, let me choose this Mount Jaro weight loss. Okay, just copy that name, Mount Jaro weight loss. Okay, just you have to create a weight loss content regarding this name. Just copy this name and you can use ChatGPT, or you can choose any other website, or even though you can search in Google regarding this weight loss product. Okay, you can search many content. Just copy that contents and paste it in your website, okay, in your Wiseme website. Okay, you can create your own ebook. Okay, in that ebook, in the middle of the places, you have to give a comment called as click here to get your free weight loss, which means click here to get your best result weight loss product. This kind of contents you have to give in the middle of your contents. If you have 10 pages of your ebook, means if your ebook contains 10 pages, means out of 10 pages you have to give at least 4 pages with your affiliate link. Okay, after you have successfully created your ebook, just click on download, and the second part is over. First part is you have to create a affiliate link, then you have to create a content regarding a weight loss product by the help of Google Trends. Then the third website, this is the most traffic website you are going to earn. This is a new website. Just come to the website called as Bookrigs. Okay, bookrigs.com. What does this website means? From all over world, many people will download the ebooks and they will purchase the ebooks only from this website. By the help of this website, you can purchase many different premium types of ebooks. You can even download many free ebooks, but we are going to upload a free ebook. Free ebook is nothing but we have created an ebook with your weight loss content right here, right? Just download it and come to this website and create a new account in this website, bookrigs.com. You have to create a new account in this and just click on create new book. Okay, so you have to give a content. We have chosen Monjaro weight loss. Okay, Monjaro. Just give the title name as Monjaro ebook and click on create ebook. Okay, then the next thing. Okay, so book content. Okay, you should click on book content and you have to upload the file. Upload the file means you have downloaded the ebook, right? Just click on it. You have to paste it. Okay, that's it. And by the chapter wise you will get the contents. Okay, you will get the title and contents, everything you can see here. You can just adjust and you can you can edit it here. Okay, just click on save. Okay, in the title you have to give the Monjaro weight loss. Okay, Monjaro weight loss, and click on save. Okay, so after you have successfully given a title to each and every chapter, then you have to give the information of your book. Just click on edit book info and you have to give the subtitles and everything you have to give. Okay, which means you can give the subtitles as same as your title. Okay, even though you can give that, it's an optional thing. Okay, and in the author name, just go to your digistore 24 and you can find the author name in the sales page. Okay, you can click on sales page and you can get the author name and everything. Okay, here you can get the author name and everything you will get in the sales page. You can just copy and paste the things which they are asking, you can give here. Okay, then you have to give the category. Category is nothing but you have to give like a weight loss or a health and fitness. Okay, yeah, we can find the health and fitness option here. Age recommendation is ages to 16 and up. Okay, mostly above 16 will be a great. And you have to give your simple description. Description is nothing but just go to your digistore 24, copy your contents. Okay, this you can copy the contents and you can paste it here. Okay, for the namesake I'm doing it fastly, but you have to you have to spend more time and you have to make a perfect work. Okay, then you have to give your keywords is nothing but weight loss, health, fitness. Yes, you have to give some keywords. Okay, then the next thing is you can click on save. Okay, so you have successfully created your ebook. Then everything is over. Last update, so everything is over. So now you can check your ebook. Okay, so this is the ebook which you have created. You can just click it up and you can see it. The people will see the option called as read book and download. Okay, either they can read in online or they can easily download it. So please make it sure that you have given your affiliate link in the middle of your contents. Please don't forget it, and then only you will get your sales. So when people will search some content regarding weight loss and keyword regarding Mounjaro weight loss, this kind of stuffs, if they search in this website, means automatically your ebook will be in the first place in this website. So automatically the people will read your book, or they will download the books, or even though they can easily identify that this book is regarding weight loss, so we can read and get some knowledge about it, so they will download it and they will like your content and they will easily purchase your product. This is the easiest, most simplest work in affiliate marketing. So please make use of it, and all the best, and you will get a best results from this website. And the last but not least, if you are interested to join in our private session, please you can contact us anytime, or you need a free one-on-one free class, means I will give the link in the description. Okay, you can click the first link in the description and you can get my personal training for absolutely free. It's not for any cost, it's for absolutely free, and it's a one-on-one call with you and me, either in Zoom class or in Google Meet. Okay, and the second link will be my Instagram page. Okay, so this is my Instagram page. You can follow me here, you can see my student results, and I will upload many free values here. I will upload many tricks and tips about your business. Okay, you can follow me in Instagram, and even though I'll upload my students results also here, you can see it here. And the third link will be my Telegram group for Telegram group members. If you are in Telegram, you can join in our group. I will upload many things, and I will give the updates regarding our YouTube channel. I will post the new videos links in the groups, so if you want, you can join and you can ask me personally anything. Okay, so that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video with another best trick. Okay, until then, it's Prime from CPA Hacks.